Okay, so let's find some content for our Facebook page. And let's say we're going to work with a Golden Doodle Facebook page specifically. So I'm going to click on content, and then I'm going to walk through all three of these options. But first, let's do Find on Web. And I'm going to choose Facebook first. Now, the first time I click on Facebook, I've already done it, but the first time you click on it, it's going to have a Facebook pop-up come up, and it's just going to ask you, can Postradamus have access to see which pages you own, which Facebook pages you own. And this is important. You need to accept that. And then it's going to redirect you back here to Postradamus. And once you do that, then you're going to see a page like you see now. So we have 4 different options up here. I can search my own pages for content or posts, and then I can search other people's pages, and then I have my own groups or groups that I'm a part of that I can look in, and then other people's groups. So my groups and other groups are very similar to my pages and other pages. So let's just start with my pages and go from there. So my pages, I can, let's see, so I want Golden Doodle photos. So the only other page I have that is similar to Golden Doodles is the page itself. So a lot of times, where this comes in useful, I guess, is I could get fan posts. So if a fan uploaded a photo or something that got a lot of likes, I might want to post that myself. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't think I have any right now. This is just kind of a testing page that I have, this Golden Doodle page. But if you have a very popular page at all, you're going to have fan posts on there that have gone somewhat viral that you probably want to repost to your page as yourself. So it looks like I don't have any, but that's what you would use this My Pages option for, more than likely. Either that, or you could search for old viral posts of your own to repost. Second option is we have other pages. So let's try searching all of Facebook for Golden Doodle Facebook pages. And it looks like we have the first one with the highest likes, and then the second one has a little bit lower likes, and it keeps going. So it tries to show you the most popular pages first here in this list. So let's do the first one. And then we also have this More Options link. Let's go ahead and click that, and I'll show you what that does. So we can only get back the fan posts if we want, or the page owner posts, or all posts. So that's what these 3 options do. Now, if I do the page owner posts only, I also have this additional option of getting just photo posts, just text posts, or just link posts. Unfortunately, you can't do this unless you pick the page owner option only. I'm not sure why that is. It's kind of a Facebook limitation, though, that they just don't allow you to do that for fan posts. So let's say we want to look at all posts on this page. And then the last option here is we have a sort by. So there's 2 ways to sort by. We could click over here after we search. We could click likes or shares, and then it's going to sort all of these out by the likes or the shares first. But we could also do it right here. So I could say the most likes I want to show first. And what that does is just it allows you to search through all those posts with one click instead of having to click search and then going over here and clicking likes again. That would be 2 clicks, and you're waiting twice as long basically to find the content that you're looking for. So that's why that second option is in there. So I've searched now. It's brought back the most liked posts first. You can see this one has 41, this one has 29, 20, 20, 17, just keeps going. So say I want this one, I would need to click select on it. You can see it turns green. You can see this button turns green as well, and it has a checkbox. That means this post I want to add to my Facebook page. Okay? And you can keep going here if you want other ones. You can also click this reverse selections button. What that's going to do is exactly what it says. It's going to reverse what you selected. So if you've selected these three and you click it, let's see what it's going to do. Okay, so it took a minute. I'm not sure why it took so long, but it selected everything except for those three that I selected. So this is kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a way to select all, really, is the main thing. So I could click it again. Let's see if it goes a little quicker this time. Okay, so it selected the three that I originally had now. The way you probably want to use it though is you would have nothing selected and then you would click that button and then it's going to select everything. There it goes. So yeah, so that's Facebook, that's other pages on Facebook. And then like I said, the groups and the other groups are kind of the same. You can search through your own groups that you're a part of here, and you can search through other groups. So that's Facebook. Pinterest is similar, but just a lot less options for how you can search. So I could search golden doodle keyword, and then it's just going to search the whole Pinterest website and return the most viral, of course, at the top of the list. You can see you have a lot of the same options. You can reverse selections, that's going to select them all. You can sort by repins or likes or comments. By default it's sorted by likes though. So you can see the first one has 563 likes and 2,000 repins. And then the next one has 384 likes and 3,000 repins. And so again, you just select which ones you want. And that's how you do Pinterest. Finally, let's see, we've got YouTube. I think I'm going to skip that for this video, but it's the same thing, but you're going to find videos. And let's do Amazon because I want to show you what it looks like to find Amazon content. It's really cool, the fact that it brings back the Amazon affiliate link for you. So it's a great way to monetize your Facebook page. So we want to find golden doodle stuff, right? So I'm going to say golden doodle, and I'm going to pick a category. Let's do books. Where's books? There they are. I could have just as easily said, instead of golden doodle, I could have said dogs. And then I could have chose a category like all. I probably would have done all, and then it would have brought back like dog toys or treats or things like that. Might work good on my page, I don't know. Okay, so that brought back golden doodle books. So let's say I want this one here. Look at that sales rank, by the way. These Amazon posts are sorted by sales rank because there's no such thing as likes or comments or thing. Well, there is comments, but I don't think we can get the number of comments on a book. But we can get the sales rank. So that's what it's sorting by. The sales rank is just a way of, figuring out how much the item sells, of course. So and then you can see it has the title of the book here and a little blurb about the book, and then it has your Amazon affiliate link right here. So again, you just select which posts you want or which books you want, and that's how you use Amazon. Now you might be wondering, how does it know to put your Amazon affiliate link here? Well, there's one more option over here in the settings page. You go to connections here, and then you click on Amazon, and there's going to be a place where you put in your Amazon affiliate tag ID. So I won't go into that in this video, but it's pretty easy. You just click here and it'll have a field where you're going to type in your affiliate ID. And then once you do that, all of these Amazon posts will have your affiliate links in them. Okay, so we've gone over most of these content sources. I think that's probably good for now. Why don't we do web page though, just so I can show you how that one works, because it's a little different than all the rest. So a web page is literally, you can go to any website, copy the URL from your address bar and paste it in here, and then it's going to try and grab any images from it. So I have this example link here. I can select it all, copy it, and then paste it in here and click Get Images. I believe this one is just it's a cat search, so it doesn't really work for my Golden Doodle page, but it gives you an idea of what the possibilities are with that web page search option. Just remember, you have to put in the HTTP:// the whole URL needs to go in here for whichever page you want to scrape images from. Again, same options. You can reverse selections, you can select each one. There's no way to sort because when you pull content from a web page like that, there is no such thing as likes or comments or anything like that. So it does the best that it can with the information that we give it. So that covers Find on Web. Now there's Find on Computer, which you can drag photos from your hard drive into this big box here, or you can just click the box and then you can add photos from your hard drive. So let's add these 5. And then I'm not going to go into how to add it to your list. That's going to be in the next video, but this is a preview of all those 5 images that you just chose to upload, and then you just choose which list you want to add it to. So the final option is this Find an Existing List option. What this allows you to do is look inside of an old list that you've built before and look at the photos in it and then copy those to whatever list you're working with now. So say you have that Golden Doodle page and you have published photos to it, or posts I should say, in the past. Well, this would be a way to find those old posts that you published and publish them again if you want. So that wraps up the different ways to find content in Postradamus. I don't remember if I mentioned in the beginning, but there's also an Instagram option that is going in tomorrow. So possibly by the time you even see this video, you'll be able to use Instagram to search for content. And I'm going to be adding even more places in the future, so look for those.